Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto E32S, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first, open the settings, then find and select security, and here you will notice fingerprint. Click to open. Now you need to provide your screen lock pattern. If you don't have one yet, you will have to create a new one. Now tap on more, agree, and as you can see, power button is your sensor, so all you have to do is to grab your finger and place your fingerprint on the sensor. Keep tapping until it's fully added. Here you can observe the progress, so you can easily follow the notes that are displayed. And that's it, just click on done. And from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.